ADT is one of the biggest names in home security, and its biggest advantage is simple. It offers a more traditional, professionally monitored security experience. You can build a system around sensors, cameras, alarms, and smart home devices with professional installation available depending on the setup. The major selling point is the 24/7 monitoring. So if an alarm is triggered, there's an actual monitoring service involved instead of your phone just buzzing while you're asleep. The downside is cost. Between equipment, professional monitoring, and potential installation fees, ADT can be more expensive than DIY systems like Ring or SimpliSafe. You may also have fewer options if you prefer buying your equipment once and avoiding another monthly subscription. Because apparently, even your front door now wants recurring revenue. ADT is a solid choice if you want professional monitoring and the hands of security experience. But if affordability and flexibility matter more, a DIY system may give you a better value.